Right guys, so today we're going to look at the Vax Dual Pet Advance Hoover and the carpet cleaner. Like everybody else's, ours is leaking at the back, and yeah, so we couldn't really use it. And so here's the interesting thing I learned after taking it apart is that just so that everybody understands what I'm talking about. So this is how it would normally look like. The handle sits here, and your water tank sits there. So and then as soon as you put the water tank, I don't know if it's obvious, but like, look, the water is leaking. I have to take it out. Water is leaking, and so this is the issue, and it seems to be very common, and everybody is complaining. This bit is moving quite a bit, which it shouldn't, because in my opinion, obviously, although I think this is a design flaw, so there you go, there is some sort of a nozzle or some sort of a like a elongated, I don't know what it's called, but basically like a plastic clip that should like touch and sits right at the top, putting pressure on it, and so let me just see how it's supposed. I can't really remember. So this is how it would be. So you would be putting that's how it's supposed to sit, you see. So that's how it's supposed to sit, and then this plastic thing should stay and make contact with the white button, and should stay, and it should continue to put pressure and not move, because what happens is that the minute you put it onto the carpet cleaner, the handle, it moves. It just moves, and the minute it moves, it just literally loses its pressure, and then water literally does not go into the tube, and then water trickles down at the back. So I think it's a very easy solution. Anybody can do it. I think if you can take any kind of cardboard, or maybe not this, maybe it can be, because it's a sponge, but any kind of styrofoam, something that doesn't really absorb water and water resistant, tiny layer, and then place it here on this barrier clip thing, so that this obviously there is a gap between this and the white thing. It's so obvious. So what we do is just fill the gap, essentially. So you can place it here between the rail, and like so, and then essentially you clip it in. There you go. Let's see now. It is tight. It still moves, but it's very, very tight, so it doesn't move anymore. And then even if you do, then obviously maybe I just need a minor adjustment. So you need to, because it's a bit too long, I guess. If I just cut tiny bit more, and it'll fit. Maybe half of this would fit, and then that would resolve, and that should resolve, because that's the only thing causing the leak. And so it's a good thing it's a mechanical leak, and you can actually fix it without any issues.